इससे कि ये हमारे डाटा में ना आ जाए, पाकिस्तान इसमें फ्लोरिश ना कर जाए, पता ना लग जाए लोगों को कि ये डिजीज भी यहाँ है. तो दिस इज द ओनली थिंग. अगर आप इंट्रोडक्शन में जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि इम्यूनो कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड पेशेंट्स, this is a very aggressive disease. You know why it is called aggressive? It fights? No. It encroaches your blood vessels. Blood is everywhere and it goes to the whole body and within no time. It doesn't give you time. So it has the ability to invade the blood vessels, and what most common thing is cerebro-rhino orbital. Your brain, nose, your eyes, all at one time. By the time patient reaches you to the consultants, you literally find nothing other than for the little debridement. And what the worst dilemma is, the patient calls it a surgery. आपने सिर्फ डिब्राइडमेंट की, मरीज से पैसे ले लिए, मरीज क्या कहता है, डॉक्टर साहब आपने सर्जरी की, and the other doctor says he did nothing. So always do counseling. Whenever the patient comes to you with mucormycosis, counseling is the most important. I can't do much because it has spread it out. What would you do with the brain? What would you do? What would you do with the eyes? The patient is there in your ward. It's multidisciplinary. You've got to involve neurosurgeons, neurophysicians, ophthalmologists, all at one place. Not like one that even the medical people. कि मेडिसिन में आ गया है, मुझे कॉल कर दिया, तो आई एम सेइंग नो, आई वोंट गो, इट्स योर पेशेंट. नो, म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस सबका पेशेंट है, इसको पै जाओ, all of you. Only then the patient can survive. And so miserable the life of the patient is. जिसने एक पेशेंट देखा है म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस का, ये मैंने लड़के लिया जी अहमद शहजाद साहब से लेक्चर, वो कहते थे कि नहीं ईएनटी का क्या काम, मैंने कहा नहीं, आई विल शो यू. जब आपकी डायबिटीज कंट्रोल नहीं होगी तो ये भी होगा, और ये होता है. So in uncontrolled metabolic conditions like diabetes mellitus and ketoacidosis, you have this. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैंने आपको बताई. अब अगर आप इसको सिर्फ ग्लोबली देखें तो 10,000 इंडिविजुअल्स ग्लोबली, इंडिया इज द हाईएस्ट. एंड रीजन आई हैव टोल्ड यू, दे पब्लिश, वी डोंट. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. वी माइट बी हायर देन देम, एनी वन ऑफ देम. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना टेल यू. So common. The people coming with the organ transplants, mortality rate is very high. It's written in the literature 30 to 70%. But I haven't seen anyone surviving. Literally, I haven't seen. But literature says up to 70%. But I haven't seen so far. No, mortality rate. But I haven't seen anyone surviving. You have seen? In a miserable condition? All three died? See? In Karachi. In Karachi. Out of 10 patients, you have seen one. And how miserable he was.
All excoriated and all thing gone, bone has gone obviously.
See? This is This is what I was emphasizing on. This is, Ahmed Shahzad Sahab, this is why I took the lecture. This is so important. So important. And we take it too lightly. और सबसे ज़्यादा अफसोस क्या होता है कि कुत्ता कुत्ते का वैरी है डॉक्टर डॉक्टर का. एक लूज टॉक एक दूसरे डॉक्टर का कैरियर खराब कर सकती है. जीपी नु की आंदा है. ये फजूल बातें होती हैं जो जेब नहीं देती. और ये मेरा ख्याल है वही बंदा बात करता है जो ज़र्फ का नहीं होता. यस एग्जैक्टली वो सिर्फ बुक्स का हिस्सा रहेगी सर. बुकिश बातें हैं और अपने आप को और बाकी ये
चल जाएगा अमेरिका को. दैट्स नॉट द ओनली रीजन. बेटे हमें शौक नहीं है, रिसर्च का हमें शौक नहीं है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पहलू ये है इंडिया नहीं डरता, चाइना नहीं डरता, पाकिस्तान क्यों डरेगा? नहीं, वी डोंट हैव द करेज. हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. हम इतने वो लस्ट में चले गए ना कुर्सियों के हमें वो मिल जाए, मेरे पास पैसे हैं सब ज़्यादा आ जाए, हर 3 साल में गाड़ी का नया मॉडल आना चाहिए. ये चीज़ें बेटे हमें ले बैठी हैं. मतलब डर एक बात है बट दैट्स नॉट.
So globally, if you see, okay, sir, 422 million people they're affected by diabetes mellitus, and by the year 2045, 700 million people they are going to be affected. Now, we won't take long. HbA1c, as you all know, 5.6 normal, then 5.7 to 6.4 pre-diabetic, and 6.5 plus we have diabetics. अब अगर आप इसमें देखें 11.88 पे क्या आ रहा है? Rhino-orbitocerebral. This is mucormycosis. This is what is gonna involve this oranges. So it's involving your brain, it's involving your eyes, your teeth, your maxilla, mandible, each and everything. और facial-maxillary का भूल गए सर हम क्या? So this is how it's gonna affect. This is literally what you see, the holes. I have seen holes. Black fungus का नाम दिया था COVID-19 में, and the cases were reported from India. Again India. They took the lead. अच्छा ये बताएं कि सारी फंगस जो होती हैं ये इम्यूनो कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड में होती हैं, ये इम्यूनो कॉम्पिटेंट में भी हो सकती हैं? इम्यूनो कॉम्पिटेंट में हो सकती हैं? नाइस, वेरी नाइस. I'll show you one. This is the non-invasive, saprophytic. While doing endoscopy, you just find them and you can just do the irrigation. और इसमें ज़्यादा कौन सी वैरायटी होती है? Aspergillus. Aspergillus is the one. Fungal balls, literally, why do we call it a ball? Because when do you do the endoscopy? I'm an endoscopic surgeon. When you do the endoscopy, it slips out. It just rolls away. So you do the suction, or with the curettage, like I'm doing here, you just curate it out. Otherwise, it rolls off. Aspergillus, again aspergillus. Extramucosal, the word is extra. It's not invading mucosa. It's extramucosal. See, immunocompetent. Hyperattenuation, you see in the CTs or the MRIs, surgery only. Again, aspergillus, like you eat pizza. Lambita. No, I don't want to discourage you. It's non-invasive. It's again extramucosal, aspergillus, and again in immunocompetent, not in immunocompromised. It's just an allergic reaction to the fungus. So you count down the immunoglobulin E and immunoglobulin G. But immunoglobulin E is more specific. Banton criteria, it will take time. Let me scroll on with more St. Paul's again. All right, how to diagnose this? Elevated immunoglobulin E, normal kitna hota hai? Up to 100. So literally with this fungus, you see the 550, 500 around, but I have seen in thousands even when mucormycosis is at its peak. So average is like 550. In vivo, जब आप body पे करते हो, कोई आपने टेस्ट किया, body के ऊपर किया, in vivo. जब आपने lab में भेजा, in vitro. Okay? So this is in vivo, this is in vitro. Sample collection, tissue biopsy, that is the gold. You see something, you do endoscopy, take out the chunk, send it for biopsy, for histopathology. But I've seen a very recent thing. If you have a Florence microscopy and you do the calcofluor, beautiful thing. That will give you a greenish or a bluish tinge. I'll show you. Because the chitin is there in the fungal cell wall. So it gets attached to that. It's the recent, and I'll show you. This is the direct microscopy. If you have Florence, this is calcofluor. This is calcofluor. This is a beautiful, this is the recent, the latest. Beta-glucans and chitin, the fungal cell wall, it gets attached to that and you can have the fluorescence, the bluish or the greenish, whatever the color is. CTs, if somebody is from the radiology, yes, we have a double density, calcium and magnesium. Double density कहते हैं, एक light है, एक dark है. ये light वाला जो है, this is fungus. और ये MRI है, इसमें flow voids आते हैं. Flow voids, what are flow voids? कि जब आपने signal दिया, इसमें breakage आती है. Breakage कहाँ आती है? जहाँ fluid आ रहा है, rush कर रहा है, जहाँ blood vessels, मैंने आपको बताया, blood vessels में जा रही है. So when the blood is flowing, you have flow voids like this. This is again like that. Rail tract, double density, calcium and magnesium, MRIs, T1 central, hypointensity, flow voids, yes. So you have the flow voids and you have peripheral enhancement. Fungal cultures, aspergillus. If someone is from pathology, this slide is literally for them. How to differentiate from aspergillus from mucormycosis. Aspergillus क्या है? 45 degrees पे है. और septations बनी होती हैं, indentations बनी होती हैं. But we don't have such thing in mucormycosis. It's a 90 degree. 90 degree, it's for pathologists. And we don't have septations. Just like this. ये देखें. Mucormycosis को देखें. They have septations, and aspergillus, they are at the 45 degrees. Immunocompromised. Now coming on to that, anything, आपने patient के trauma, burns, diabetes, neutropenia, increased iron, organ transplant, intravenous drug abuse, anything that can get you down. Again the same, anything that can get you down. Mucormycosis is right there to attack you. Comorbids, everything is like that. So we have literally, when it's flowing in the blood vessels, mucormycosis doesn't spare any organ. It's going to affect you that. So you got to be very, very cautious. Symptoms according to the regions. You can have coughing, headaches, fever, redness, and shortness of breath, vomits, altered mental status. This is for what the patient complains you when the patient comes to you in OPD. One thing I tell you, headache के साथ आपके पास patient आ रहा है, आपने उसको obvious कोई चीज़ नज़र नहीं आ रही, आपको blood pressure नज़र नहीं आ रहा, sinuses आपको लग रहे हैं कि nose clear है, क्योंकि endoscopy हर एक के clinic पे नहीं है. Always go for CT. That would lead you either to rhinosinusitis, leading to that, that might be having some growth, some mass. ये different varieties हैं. Recently, एक baby आया मेरे पास, 4 years of age, and the stage was orbital abscess already. और ऑर्बिटल एब्सेस का पेशेंट, वो बच्चा, वो ऑफ्थेल्मोलॉजी वाले इसको एडमिट नहीं कर रहे थे. अगर शायद यहाँ बैठे हों तो दे वुड एग्री टू मी कि जी एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है, रेफर देम टू लाहौर. वो बंदा रोया आके मेरे पास ओपीडी में, मैंने इसको एडमिट कर लिया क्योंकि बेसिकली कॉज राइनोसाइनोसाइटिस होती है जिसकी वजह से ऑर्बिट्स इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. टाइम रखा सर्जरी का, जॉइंट वेंचर का, कि आई वाले आएंगे अपना काम करेंगे, मैं अपना करूंगा. आई स्टार्टेड द सर्जरी और आई वाले, सॉरी टू से, इफ समवन इज सिटिंग फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट, दुम दबा के भाग गए. आई वॉज लेफ्ट अलोन इन द थिएटर. इट्स अ बैड एटीट्यूड. डरें आप लिटिगेशन से, लेकिन आप जब प्रॉपर काम कर रहे हैं मत डरें, बिल्कुल ना डरें. इसके बाद जो हुआ वही हुआ जिसका डर होता है कि वो पेशेंट डेवलप कर गया क्या चीज, कैवर्नस साइनस थ्रोम्बोसिस. पर्सनली गया मैं आई वालों के पास कि नाउ, एंड यू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑर्बिटल एब्सेस एंड कैवर्नस साइनस थ्रोम्बोसिस? एनीवन? ऑर्बिटल एब्सेस यूनिलैटरल, कैवर्नस साइनस थ्रोम्बोसिस bilateral. Now you're involved with both eyes. वही किया आई वालों ने, मैंने उनको शिफ्ट करवाया and they pushed it to Lahore, Lajo Lahore, and that baby expired. उस बंदे ने दूसरी शादी की थी, उससे एक बेबी था, that was such a precious baby, and we lost that baby. So this is how the patient presents you. Ophthalmoplegia, it can't move. You have the CTs. It's always involving the lungs. Now look at the CT. Look at that. This is how it erodes. And this is how it erodes. It goes into the brain, it goes into the eyes. So from here it starts. And this is the maxillary sinus. From the maxillary sinus, it's going to the orbit. And from here, it is going to the brain. This is cribriform plate of the ethmoid, lateral lamella, fovea ethmoidalis. All are encroached. MRIs, जब भी आप इस तरह का देखें बल्ब जलता हुआ, this is T2 because the fluids, all right sir, will make fast, no more teaching. So what do we have if we don't do early treatment? क्या होता है? क्या होगा? Mortality rates, they would become high. The patient would complicate. This is what literally happens. Your palatal erosions, orbits, everything goes away. Like this. This is how it starts. This is a fistula. Look at this, black fungus. Okay. We will make fast. Medical treatment, steroids, antifungals. 6 months dose है steroids की, डरे नहीं, पेशेंट को बताएं. हमारे यहाँ क्या करते हैं, 3 months हो गए, 4 months हो गए, दूसरा डॉक्टर कहता है पागल है, तेनू स्टीरॉइड दे इंडिया. This is the statement the other doctor says. ऐसे लूज स्टेटमेंट ना दें, अगर आपको नॉलेज नहीं है ना, प्लीज बोले नहीं, दूसरे का भी काम खराब करते हैं. So quick. I'll take you to the amphotericin dose. This is the magic drug, amphotericin भी. Unfortunately, ये देनी नहीं आती. आपने लिख दी, आप सर लिख के चले गए ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਫੱਟੜ ਮਰੀਜ਼ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਰਸ ਨੇ ਫੜਿਆ ਠੋਸ਼ This is how you start. You give a test dose. The initial dose is 0.25 milligram per kg slow IV, okay? And you get on with the 0.5 or 0.7, but never ever you raise it from 1.5 milligram per kg, okay? And always do the cardiorenal status. Keep checking. Side effects. This is again a magical thing. Methyl glyoxal. Sir, ये एक बड़ी कमाल चीज़ आई है. नहीं. न्यूजीलैंड का ये है. Manuka honey. This is methyl glyoxal. This is very effective. Again, MRSA and MASA, Pseudomonas. This is recent advancement. If you want to save mucormycosis, this is hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and this is how the chamber is. And you literally get the patient in the chamber up to 1.2 to 2.4. So this is the future strategy. Omalizumab, this is anti-immunoglobulin E. This is very important if you want to know. This is anti-immunoglobulin E. क्या करती है? Binding रोक देती है. Immunoglobulin E की FC receptor से binding रोक देती है. This is the action of this medicine. Omalizumab. Why surgery is needed? क्यों भेजते हैं मेरे पास? To halt or slow the progression of the disease. Reduce fungal load. बीमारी खत्म नहीं कर रहा हूं. जो डॉक्टर ये कह रहा है मैं सर्जरी कर रहा हूं उसकी बीमारी खत्म करने के लिए, no. You're reducing the fungal load. So surgeries, you do the FES, IGS. This is the latest. This is how you do IGS and FES. Dental erosions, dental treatments, keep on with the facial-maxillary surgeons, orbital prosthesis, plastic surgeons, and do's and don'ts. Thank you so much.